Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 shampoos. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get right into my top 5 shampoos in no particular order. First up, have 2 shampoos from the same brand, and it is none other than Camille Rose Naturals. So first is the Clean Rinse Moisturizing and Clarifying Shampoo made with honey and peppermint. It says a minty aromatic clarifying cleanser, pH balance to deliver ultimate cleansing and moisture benefits. Absolutely love this moisturizing and clarifying shampoo. Definitely a must-have. Also from Camille Rose Naturals is the Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse made with castor and aniseed oil. It says this is a hair cleanser with natural notes of sweet ginger and lemon peel. Absolutely love this as well. This is more of a clarifying shampoo, like after a protective style, or if you really have some product buildup. This one is a lighter cleanse shampoo, but both of them work amazing. Definitely recommend these 2 shampoos. Next up in my top 5 shampoos is from Mielle Organics, and this is from the Rice Water collection. This is the hydrating shampoo, excellent for length retention. Absolutely love this shampoo, and just about at the end of this bottle. So again, this is from the Rice Water collection from Mielle Organics. Absolutely love this hydrating shampoo. It has a ton of lather, which I absolutely love. Definitely want to check this out. Next up in my top 5 shampoos is from Mich Beauty. This is the Cleanse Moisturizing and Cleansing Sulfate-Free Shampoo. It says it gently and thoroughly removes product buildup without stripping your hair and scalp of natural oils. This is a definite must-have. The lather, the moisture, the slip from a shampoo. You definitely want to add this to your hair collection. This is bomb shampoo. And I have not had this for long, but I am towards the end of this one as well. And normally shampoos don't go very quickly for me, but this, she's going quick. And last but not least, my top 5 shampoos is from Uncle Funky's Daughter. This is Squeaky, which is a clarifying cleanser. It's sulfate-free and color-safe with tea tree, kelp, willow bark, and menthol. And the minty tingle that you get from this shampoo is unmatched. It also has a ton of lather. Definitely cleanses your hair and scalp without the stripping feel. So if you have not tried Squeaky from Uncle Funky's Daughter, definitely want to check it out. So shampooing is a very important step in your hair care regimen. You definitely want to make sure that your scalp as well as your hair is clean. It is okay to co-wash in between shampoos, but shampooing is definitely a must for me. Definitely want to make sure that you have a clean scalp and a clean hair. And actually having a clean scalp and clean hair also sets you up for great styling. So you want to make sure that your base is clean, moisturized, and then styling is actually a breeze. So make sure you are shampooing your hair. Again, I do co-wash in between shampoos, but I don't just strictly co-wash. I always shampoo my hair. And I used to co-wash when I first went natural many years ago, about 8 years ago, I would say. And I went to a natural hair stylist, and she explained to me that co-washing is like washing your clothes with fabric softener. It's not cleaning your clothes. It might make your clothes smell good for a minute or try to mask the odor, but it's not cleaning your clothes. Just like a co-wash is not cleaning your scalp. So again, it is okay in between washes, but you definitely need to add shampoo into your wash day, into your hair care regimen. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you saw some shampoos that you want to try out. Let me know what your favorite shampoos are that you're using right now. Again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.